Alright, that video took a little bit longer to make than I thought. Hi there everyone, it's me, Lamer Gamer. Hope you're all doing well. Now today's video has taken a little while to make, and that's because we have just recently reached YouTube Partner. Oh yes, we have hit that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 public watch hours that's needed for us to be eligible to be monetized on the YouTube platform. And this is done by adding things like advertising and memberships to the channel and things called super chats. So today's video is all about how essentially once you've got that email or you've hit that threshold, the sort of sign up process to become monetized or affiliated with the YouTube Partner program. So hopefully you'll find this video useful. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget now you can hit the little join button down here somewhere, which is brand new for you for this video and for the rest of my time here on YouTube. Hopefully it's going to be a long time. Yeah, so hit that. I also stream regularly on Twitch, so come on over there and come say hi as well. But yeah, let's rewind the clock to about 2 weeks ago when we found out we hit the threshold to become a YouTube partner. So when you're at YouTube, you go to your creator dashboard, and down here on the left hand side it says monetization or however you want to say it. Basically ways to get paid through YouTube, I guess. So you click it, and there you can see 4 ticks, which means I've got over 1,000 subscribers, I've got over 4,000 public watch hours, I've been 2-step verified, and I've got 0 active community guideline strikes. Thank you. Now as you can see below it says apply now. So here we go. My first step on the road to being a YouTube partner. So I'm going to click apply now. And now it says review the partner program terms. So we're going to have a quick look through this. So it even tells you what percentages you get here. So advertising revenues, YouTube will pay you 55% of net revenues recognized by YouTube from ads displayed on your stream. Subscription revenues, YouTube will pay you 55% of the total net revenues recognized by YouTube from subscription fees. Payment account requirements. In order to receive payments of any revenues hereunder, you must at all times have an AdSense account. So it looks like we've got to sign up for something called AdSense. YouTube will pay you for any revenues due within approximately 60 days after the end of any calendar month. So as long as you have earned at least $100 or equivalent in local currency at the time payment is due. You are not entitled to earn or receive any revenues in connection with your content if any of the following circumstances. Termination or suspension. Either party may terminate these with 30 days prior notice. Repeated violations of the terms. A single case of severe abuse. If we are required to do so to comply with legal requirements, or if YouTube reasonably believes there has been conduct that creates liability harm. Okay, fair enough. I'm going to click here and click I accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Email me with updates, announcements and personalized tips to help grow my channel. Yes please. So accept terms. Now it looks like it's thinking about step 1. Okay, step 1 is done. Sign up for Google AdSense. Create a new AdSense account or connect to an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to monetize and get paid. Press start. You will be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. Do you have an AdSense account? No, I don't. On the next screen, you choose Google account that you want to create. Okay, so you're going to click continue. Okay, so I'm going to type here for now my YouTube URL, which is, oh, it's already got it there. So if I copy that and put that into a URL, it brings you to my channel. Fantastic. So there's my URL for my channel, which is great. Get more out of AdSense. Yes, select your country or territory. So mine is United Kingdom. There we go. What accept and review their terms and conditions. Yes, I have read and accept the agreement, and I'm going to create an account. And now I'm in Google AdSense, it looks like. Okay, so now I've put that information in. It says there we're reviewing your info. Reviews usually take less than a day, but in some cases can take longer. You can check your AdSense status in YouTube Studio. So now it's taking me back to my YouTube Studio, and once again we've got this scrolly thing at the top. It now says in progress. So it says here your AdSense account is being created or associated. The approval and association process can take up to several days. So now I basically have to wait for AdSense to create my account. Then we should be able to get our channel reviewed. So I'm just gonna wait now and I will come back. So today is the 3rd of February 2022 at 6:45 at night. So hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Okay, so we have come back and we've had some phenomenal news. The channel has now been reviewed and we are now officially YouTube partners. Yes, we're on the YouTube partner program. I cannot believe it. We've been at this now probably for a good year and we have hit that partner mark, which means we can get loads of amazing benefits. So on that note, let's have a look and see what the emails, etc. look like when you become a YouTube partner. It says, "Hi Lemma Gamer, your channel has passed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Requirement for the YouTube partner program. Your channel is not monetizing yet. Go to the monetization section of the YouTube studio to check the next steps. If you already accepted terms and set up AdSense, then there's no further action needed." But we've already done that. So now we have found out that we have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. Congratulations on your YouTube channel. Lemma Gamer has been accepted into the YouTube partner program. Amazing. I'm so excited about this, guys, honestly. To get you started, check out the YouTube creator site. So there's a website here that it looks like it wants to show us around. That's pretty cool. I think I've already been on this before as a normal, like, non-partnered YouTuber. Different ways you can monetize YouTube. So if I click this, it tells you different ways to monetize, like using channel memberships, merch, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So I'll have a read through all of this. How to monetize specific videos. Choose how you want to monetize. You can use ads, channel membership, merch, super chats. This is interesting. I've never heard of super chats, but then again, I've never really looked into the partnered stuff until today when I've become partnered. And YouTube Premium. Turn on ads and stuff like that. Okay, so we'll have a look at some of that and then I can set my channel up. As with everything related to YouTube, use your common sense and don't abuse the site, and be respectful of others when choosing what content to monetize. We're looking forward to working with you. Thanks to the YouTube team. This is so cool. This is so cool. Right, so I'm going to go to my YouTube channel now. YouTube Studio. Welcome to the flipping out, it just got me here. Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. As a YouTube partner, you can monetize your videos with ads and YouTube Premium, get support via chat or email, and explore monetization opportunities. Right, let's get started. Click. Okay, so there's a video here. Monetize videos. Congratulations, your channel is now a YouTube Partner Program. To start making money from ads and YouTube Premium, turn on video monetization. So I'm going to put turn on ads. Guess this is fine. Non-skippable video ads. Location of video ads. So during video mid-roll. Okay, we'll go next. How ads work. So there's a video here explaining how ads work. I'm going to open that in another screen just so I can watch that a little bit later. Which videos do you want to monetize? I may as well monetize them all. Why not? And there we go. It tells me about earning with ads. I've gone straight into my dashboard. It says, welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. Congratulations, you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your channel and contact support. That's good. 4th February, sweet. It's giving me some ideas. Okay, and then we go to the monetization section down here. It gives me an overview. It talks about super chat, and super stickers give fans a new way to connect with you. Earn extra revenue from your live streams and premieres. Okay, get started. I'm gonna accept, I guess, after reading all this. Okay, so I'm gonna put my name, email address, etc. You don't have access to super chats yet. Rest assured, it is coming soon. You'll be notified in your YouTube Studio dashboard when you have access. Your super chat, stickers, and activity. And funny enough, I had an email which says, "Congrats on being eligible for super chat and super stickers." So this is like little things that you can use in chat, it looks like. So I'm going to press enable now. Right, nothing's happened now. Probably because I've only just agreed to it, maybe? Not too sure. Okay, so whilst we're here as well, it tells you about getting paid, that I'm not ready for payment. what you need to do. No action needed at the moment. I haven't met the payment threshold, which is, I think, $100, I want to say. So the payment threshold, it looks like, is £60 here in the UK, 70 euros. Okay, so now it has been a couple of weeks since I've actually been a YouTube partner, and unfortunately I haven't been able to do a big announcement on it yet because for some reason YouTube wasn't able to set up memberships for me when I was agreed into the partner program. Don't know why that was, but the good news is after talking with their online chat, which is a feature you get when you hit partner status as well, I actually managed to get it sorted. So just so you know, I'm going to come back to YouTube Studio now. So what I'll do is I'll take us back to YouTube and we can have a look. Okay, so we are now back on my YouTube homepage, or my dashboard, or whatever we're calling it now. So one of the features you do get is you get this little thing up here, which is called Chat with Creator Support. So you press this, it will load a chat window, and you put I no longer need help, because I don't need help. But after a little while it will load and someone should be able to help you out. So when we go back to monetization now, you can now see I've got overview, membership, and supers as well. What I didn't have before was this little membership tab. I was looking at here just to see all the different things I could do with my YouTube partnership, and it says here, earn and engage with fans. One of them is all about channel memberships, which unfortunately I couldn't get for some strange reason. But now we've got the tab, so we're all happy again. And that means I can now start bringing rewards to people who support me on my YouTube channel, quite similar to what I have on Twitch. I haven't set this up yet, so this is going to be my first take at this. So I'm going to click memberships now. This is what you get like a little video. Okay, so I'm not going to watch this video. I'll probably watch it a little bit later, but now it looks like I've got to go through various percentages to get membership turned on. So here, set up your membership offer. You can create a single membership level or offer multiple levels and prices. Have fun coming up with unique perks and rewards. Unique perks to reward members at each level. Okay, so we'll click start and see what that does. So these are the optional tiers you can get. So you can get unnamed level 2, 1, or whatever they are. Consider one of these templates as a starting point or create your own from scratch. I'm probably just going to stick to the 1 level because I feel like everybody who supports me should all be, you're all equal. We're all one team. There should be nobody more important than the others. There's also little videos here about membership levels and membership perks. So I'm going to click 1 level, £4.99, which is quite similar to that with Twitch, so there shouldn't be much of a difference there. I'm going to press next. That is it, so I'm going to change it now. I'm going to call it Donut Club Members. So for those of you that don't know, the group in my following of subscribers are called the Donut Club because we're all a bunch of donuts. Okay, so it looks like here it's based in the United Kingdom, which is great, and the cost here is £4.99 a month. It's nice, but I don't know. I don't think many people would spend that much money. If they do, that would be great. Maybe I'll keep it low for a little while. There we go, £2.99. That seems fair, especially for me being a new YouTube partner. So as you can see here, there's loads of different options you can do. But yeah, so I'm going to press done. And that is that. So I'm going to go edit. Can I change my loyalty badges? No, not yet. So I press done. Next. Yeah, that's it. So for £2.99 a month, you get loyalty badges and all that fun stuff. I understand that once my offer is reviewed and approved, I'm unable to change prices. To introduce a new price, I can create a new level and add or delete any existing level. Deleting a level will cancel existing memberships at that level. Okay, so just be aware of that, guys. Then I'm going to press submit for review. Yeah, I'm going to press submit. And that is now loading. Looks like there we go. So now I can do upload badges and emojis. So here we go. So we can look at the different types of badges. So what we're going to do is upload our own. It looks like you can have different lengths of time. So that should be quite cool. So I'm going to click select image for new member. Gosh, there we go. Next. So now we're going to go on to doing our emojis. So these are the little things that you can throw up in chat. So we're going to select the image first. I can have 1, 2, 3, 4. As you gain more members, you can upload and share even more. So I need 2 members to get the 5th emoji slot. So we got hype, we got heart, we got rip, and we got rage. and then we'll add some more as hopefully we get some more memberships. Save. Doing something. There we go, there's all my emotes. Nice. Your audience will want to know what channel memberships is and what you offer them. Take a look at suggestions on how to promote your memberships. Okay, we're going to press start. Announce your memberships with a video. Mention memberships in your videos, live streams, promote it on social media. Nice. So I can do that. Done. It looks like it's already done. Post to welcome new members. Create some members only posts, giving them a warm welcome to your biggest fans. Start. Create a community post. I'm just going to write something like memberships are coming! Exclamation mark. There it is. Hype. There we go. Post. Memberships are coming. Hype. Nice big sign. Happy days. Okay. It's kind of weird that it's taking me here though. Let's see if I can go back. There we go. You successfully created your members only post. Done. So now I'm guessing all I've got to do now is wait for this to be reviewed and then I can press turn on. Awesome. Okay, so it's been another day waiting to see if we can get this membership thing working on YouTube. And we do have an email, so hopefully I will be able to say that we now have an approved load of membership emotes, badges, and all that fun stuff. So let's go in and have a look. Okay, awesome. It now says, congratulations, you're one step closer to launching memberships on your channel and reaching your fans in new exciting ways because our perks have been approved. Head to the YouTube studio to finish setting up your channel memberships today. Awesome. So I'll click that button and it should take me there. There we go. It says approved. It looks like it also says 100% complete. So all we have to do now is press turn on, I guess. So here we go. Turn on channel membership. You're ready to start welcoming new members to your channel. What happens next? A join button will appear on your video and channel pages. Anyone who clicks it will see your membership offer. What you should do: announce your new channel membership to your audience and tell them about the exclusive perks that they'll get access to if they join. The members only post that you've created will become visible to everyone who joins your channel. Nice. And then get ready to start delivering the perks you promised and post to members regularly so that they feel special. Okay, let's press turn on then. Boop. And we're in. Nice one. And it gives us this little dashboard that says how many members we have. At the moment we have 0 members. So guys, it's time to work on that, I think. Okay, there we go. Best practices, 1 complete. Create up to 5 price levels. No. Add a membership link to your video description. Ooh. There you go. It's already added. Done. Save. So all I did was press that and it's already input it there. So there we go. I'll press save. That should update. If I refresh the page, I guess. Add an intro video to your offer screen. So we're going to have to create this intro video, which is going to be awesome. Create a public posting events viewers to join. And turn on members only chat and live streams. I don't really like that. Okay, and there we go. As I said, it took a little while for us to go through all the various steps, like creating the AdSense account and getting that verified. And then I had to argue to try and get the memberships section added to my YouTube platform dashboard thing. So that was a bit awkward. But luckily, thanks to YouTube and their really helpful customer service, which you actually get as part of being part of the YouTube partner program, we were able to resolve that. But yeah, so now the channel is monetized. I'm able to offer memberships. I can advertise for other people on my channel, I guess. And also we can do things like super chats. It just means I can bring some more of what I think I used to do really well on Twitch here to YouTube. But in the meantime, I hope you found this video really useful. And if you do like it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that little join button that we've got so you can become a member of the channel as well. But in the meantime, you all take care and I'll see you online. Cheers.